Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sanchari the Travelogue. Friends, in this video, we will be knowing complete information about the world's tallest statue, the Statue of Unity. Where the statue is located, who is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and why this particular place is selected for placing the statue. There is a great reason behind it, and let us know many more things about this place. Before that, please subscribe to my channel and watch this video till the end. Statue of Unity is located near Kevadia in the state of Gujarat, which is few kilometers away from Ahmedabad and Vadodara. It is just 90 kilometers from Vadodara. We have started from Vadodara morning by 7:30 am and we have booked the tickets online at official website of Statue of Unity. I have provided the link of the website in my description. Friends, we have to park our vehicles 5 kilometers away from the statue. Free bus service will be provided for all the visitors, and we can also hire private e-rickshaws and they charge ₹50 per stop and only 3 people will be allowed. Interesting thing here is these e-rickshaws are women driven. Yes, the drivers are women. The government of Gujarat has taken steps to ensure women's empowerment. It ensures that tribal women of Kevadia also get good job and work opportunities. Not only this area is environment friendly since all vehicles here are electrically driven. They follow 3 E principles at Statue of Unity, that is environment, empowerment and employment. This is the important info. Whoever accompanying with the handicapped people or old age people who cannot walk and have their own wheelchair can take their vehicle up to the entrance of the statue complex. But for this, you need a special permission which should be taken from the administration block which is 4 kilometers away from the statue. You need to give them a written letter stating about the person and ID proof is must. Accordingly, they will issue the vehicle pass. Now, let's proceed further. Friends, there is 2-level security check. Only after showing the car pass, they will allow you to proceed further. Wow, it's amazing to see the world's tallest statue, the Statue of Unity. Friends, did you ever thought why this statue is called as Unity? Think about it. I'll explain later. My son asked me one question seeing this statue. He asked why Vallabhbhai Patel is crafted as old man in this statue. Why not as young man? Anyone of you got this doubt? What's your answer? My answer was I showed him an young Mahatma Gandhi's photo, asked him to identify, but he failed. After showing him old man photo of Mahatma Gandhi ji, he identified. Similarly, Vallabhbhai Patel can be recognized only like this. Friends, it was very difficult to find the parking place. We went in hunt of it. Finally, we parked our vehicle near the local stalls just in front of statue entrance. Here we found small restaurants kept by the local people of Kevadia. Friends, remember, Statue of Unity is closed on Monday. Basic level ticket starts at 180 rupees, for which you can access the exhibition, viewing gallery and also go up to the feet level of the statue. You can actually go till the chest level of the statue, where you need to buy a second level ticket. It is 380 rupees, and from there you can have a panoramic view of Kevadia. Both the tickets include Valley of Flowers as well as the dam viewpoint. And if you want absolutely express and VIP entry, then be ready to shell out 1030 rupees. But friends, I suggest you to buy 380 rupees ticket, in which almost everything is covered and you can enjoy each and every feature of this statue.
Welcome to Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue. Statue of Unity, just few kilometers from Kevadia, and it is the tallest statue in the world. It is 597 feet tall.
This is the security check counters. We have 2-level security check. There is no restrictions here. We can carry your mobile phones and cameras. Here we can find 3 viewpoints. One is exhibition gallery at the basement. Second one, we can go up to the chest of the statue. And third, statue foot point. Come, let's go to the foot point of the statue. India has got a rich cultural heritage of unity in diversity, the roots of which are inextricably founded on the principle of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, meaning that entire universe is a family. At the time of Indian independence in 1947, it was however divided into more than 560 princely states, and it was the India's first Home Minister, Bharata Ratna Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who with his firm determination could transform such imperialism into today's unified India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was often called as Iron Man of India, and this statue is an ode to him and his contribution to our independent India. And this statue was inaugurated on his 143rd birthday anniversary by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji in October 2018. Sardar Patel is credited with uniting over 560 princely states in pre-independent India to build the Republic of India. Hence, the statue is christianized as Statue of Unity. Without his efforts, our India wouldn't look as India. Hence, it is called
Statue of Unity.
This is the view from the foot of the statue. The statue is located in the heart of India, near the bank of river Narmada, and Statue of Unity is truly a marvel to behold. You can see a beautiful view of Narmada Dam and surroundings of the statue. Next, let's visit the base of the statue, that is the viewing gallery. To visit the viewing deck inside the statue, you have to go through an exhibition center or a viewing gallery. This is the huge exhibition hall covering an area of 4,647 square meters has been set up in the pedestal of Statue of Unity. The hall showcases the life of Sardar Patel, his contribution to the freedom movement against the British rule, and his role in merger of princely states. Wow, it's so amazing that every feature has been perfectly crafted on his face, be the wrinkles, eyes, everything. So this is the replica of actual statue. The only difference is that his face is 70 feet in actual statue, here it is 14 feet. But at the exhibition hall, not only you can see his face and the replica of his statue, you can know about what behind the making of this statue. Lot of pictures, painting about Narmada village, the tribal life, the Narmada dam and also about its story. Here they have projected the Stulpaneshwar Wildlife Sanctuary, which is a home of 32 species of mammals, several species of reptiles, 198 species of birds and countless insects. The life and the culture of tribal people of Gujarat is also projected here. Make a pledge in footsteps of Sardar is as follows. I take this pledge in the spirit of unification of my country, which was made possible by the vision and actions of late Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. I also solemnly resolve to my own contribution to ensure internal security of my country. What is Satyagraha? A very detailed visuals are given to gain knowledge about Satyagraha. Friends, do you know? The title Sardar was confirmed to Vallabhbhai Patel by Mahatma Gandhi. Patel was given a title Iron Man by Gandhi and Indian people due to his strength of his commitment and ability to integrate all 562 princely states within India into one India. This statue was designed by the Indian sculptor Ramvi Sutar. The statue stands at the towering height of 182 meters. Its bronze facade depicts Sardar Patel wearing a traditional dhoti and shawl, and his posture exudes strength and confidence. Friends, there is an audio-visual hall. Here you will also get to see 6 to 7 minutes film on Narmada Dam as well as Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's history. Starting from his childhood to his struggles and also his achievements, this is so interesting. Children can know the complete story of Sardar Patel in very simple language. This project was announced in 2010 and construction started in October 2013 by Indian company L&T with a total construction cost of Rs 27 billion. Statue of Unity movement started in 2013 to collect the iron needed for the statue by asking the farmer to donate their used farming instrument. The reason for keeping 182 meters is that there is 182 seats in Gujarat legislature, hence 182 meters of height was chosen. Now I am heading to the most attractive part of the statue, that is the viewing gallery, the chest level of the statue. We have to wait for the elevator. Very excited to see what the view looks like and how it feels to be so close to the tallest statue in the world. It's really amazing. We reached 45th floor just in 38 seconds. This is the high-speed lift. It's quite a high technology. Sardar Patel statues, both the legs have 2 lifts. Beautiful. So we are now on 45th floor, which is the chest level of this statue. Currently, we are inside the statue from where you can see the beautiful view of Narmada river. Now one more question for you. Any special reason why this place has been chosen for making this statue here? Yes, there is a special reason. It was the dream of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel to build Sardar Sarovar Dam here. So when he died in 1950, his dream remained unfulfilled. So it was decided that his dream should come true in front of his eyes. This is the reason this statue has been located right in front of Sardar Sarovar Dam. The Statue of Unity complex features a beautifully landscaped Unity Garden and a museum dedicated to Sardar Patel's life and achievements. It's a place where visitors can dive deeper into India's history and gain insight into its struggle for independence. Friends, she is my daughter. She is busy performing dance for her YouTube channel Little Wonder Pearls. She is enjoying and dancing. Did you ever wonder how the Statue of Unity look after sunset? Well, with the help of illuminated heavy lights, the statue glow even more beautifully than during the daytime. The government arranged the light and sound show for the people to get experience after sunset. It is 30-minute show with 51 high-resolution projectors which are placed 600 meters away from the statue. It showcases the life of the times when the Iron Man of India was alive. This beautiful storytelling session with the help of lights is conducted from Tuesday to Sunday from 6:45 to 7:15 p.m. The best part about this show is that everyone can have a view of this show as it's free of cost for all. Friends, just beside this area you can find this food court. But if you want traditional local food, you will get outside the statue complex just opposite where I parked the car.
This completes our tour. Follow the path. Let's exit from here.
Since its inauguration, the Statue of Unity has become a symbol of national pride and a popular tourist destination, attracting visitors from all the corners of the globe. It stands not only as a monument but as a reminder of the unity that binds a diverse nations together. As we conclude our journey to Statue of Unity, we are reminded of the power of determination, unity, and spirit that shaped modern India. Friends, thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel Sanchari the Travel Log. Thank you.